Samsung Galaxy A6 and Galaxy A6 Plus are finally official. The South Korean titan has listed the two new Galaxy A6 and Galaxy A6 Plus on its official global website, listing down the specifications. First off, both variants will sport Super AMOLED Infinity display port from Samsung's Galaxy S, Galaxy Note, and Galaxy A8 series. The Galaxy A6 will get a 5.6-inch HD Plus panel, while the Galaxy A6 Plus will sport a larger 6-inch Full HD Plus display, both featuring the Infinity display design with 18.5 by 9 aspect ratio. The Android 8.0 Oreo-based Galaxy A6 and Galaxy A6 Plus will get octa-core 1.6 GHz and octa-core 1.8 GHz. Respectively, both handsets come in 3 GB of RAM plus 32 GB of internal storage and 4 GB of RAM plus 64 GB of inbuilt storage options, and support micro SD card up to 256 GB capacities. Both get Bixby, Bixby Vision, Home, and Reminder. As for camera specifications, the Galaxy A6 will get a single 16-megapixel autofocus rear sensor with 1.7 aperture. The Galaxy A6 Plus will get a dual rear camera setup with a 16-megapixel primary sensor with 1.7 aperture and a secondary 5-megapixel sensor with 1.9 aperture. Both phones sport a rear-mounted fingerprint sensor. A 3000 mAh battery will power the Galaxy A6 internals, while the Galaxy A6 Plus will get a larger 3500 mAh unit. For selfies and video calling, the Galaxy A6 get a 16-megapixel front camera and the Galaxy A6 Plus get a 24-megapixel front sensor, both with an aperture of 1.9. Live focus, bokeh effect functionality will be exclusive to the Galaxy A6 Plus. Connectivity options of the two handsets include Wi-Fi, Cat 6 LTE, HD4T, Bluetooth, ANT+, USB Type-B, NFC, and GPS. There's also fingerprint sensor face recognition, Dolby Atmos speakers, and Samsung Play. Junho Park, Vice President of Global Product Planning, Mobile Communication Business at Samsung Electronics, said the Galaxy A6 and A6 Plus draws on Samsung's smartphone heritage to combine everyday convenience with an impressive camera that lets users capture, personalize, and share moments in a way that lets them uniquely express themselves. The two smartphones are now up for pre-orders in Germany, giving us an indication about the pricing. The Galaxy A6 is priced at €309, while the Galaxy A6 Plus cost €369.